Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we want to show you our Android screen installed in a Maserati GT Gran Turismo that it didn't come with Apple Carplay Android Auto, and that's how the dash looks like. And we are installing our backup camera, and I'm gonna come back shortly and I show you how the unit looks like after installation. Thank you and have a great day. Okay, so right now we installed our Android screen in this Maserati GT, and we add our backup camera. This backup camera is perfectly centered, as you can see, and it goes right behind the license plate. So when the license plate goes here, it's going to cover this bracket, so just the camera is popping out. This is the best angle. As you can see, there is a lot of takeover here, so we cannot replace any other cameras. This is the perfect spot, and it's perfectly centered, as you can see. This customer only ordered the radio replacement, not the climate control. Anyways, in future maybe he's gonna change his mind. Because of this modern look, it's better to have that climate control, like digital climate control. And this is all in piano black. You can see how it matches and it blends in with the other panels. By going to reverse, as I said, the backup camera pops out, and any object at the back, you can see it shows the sensors too. So you have the backup camera and it retains the factory sensors. You don't lose anything. A lot of customers, they're asking why your unit still is Android 9, because we cannot fake the Android. Those units in the market that they declare their Android 10, basically they're faking the Android version simply by installing IDA 64 on the unit. There is an app named IDA 64. You can check the Android version and you can see they're all fake. Anyways, our Bluetooth is perfectly fine. This is the best Bluetooth we have, and also the unit is fully compatible with the steering wheel control and all the functions on steering wheel. By going to app section, you can see all the apps are installed. By doing Wi-Fi hotspot, you can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can download any apps you like. There is one car virtual dash here that it shows the RPM and also speed of the car. And there is one button, like kind of like the iPhone button, so by clicking on that you can go back to the home. You can see the car information, like the one that you can see it on the factory radio. They're all there. Mileage A, ECU, car settings, all there. Nothing is missing there. Everything is there. So you still can adjust whatever is in factory vehicle. You have Bluetooth music, and also you have Apple CarPlay. I'm gonna come back and show you how the Apple CarPlay works. All the functions are there, plus you can play video if you have any video downloaded through the USBs that we provide with our unit.
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey Roman, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing? Justin, you didn't think you could get any better, huh?
Here we go.
I come back shortly and I show you how to do the Apple CarPlay. Okay, right now we need to connect to the Bluetooth. So the name of the Bluetooth is BT1EAD. I just search it on my iPhone by clicking on that. We're gonna connect to that Bluetooth, which right now shows it's connected. And then by clicking on home button, we can go to apps and click on Z-Link. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on, and it's gonna connect to my phone. First, it's gonna ask me if I want to use the Apple CarPlay or not. I'm checking to make sure the Wi-Fi is on. So use the CarPlay. This is first time setting. The Apple CarPlay pops out. And it's fully touch again. You can use Google Maps, you can play Spotify, you can play any songs from your phone. You can use Waze, you can use satellite radio, and all other functions that Apple CarPlay lets you to use it.
Siri requires an internet connection.
Right now I don't have internet. Anyways, you can use Siri and you can use all the functions in Apple CarPlay. And it's all wireless. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can go to our website 4x4shop.ca and order these units online. We do shipping to all over the world, and you can purchase them easily from our website, or you can chat with us on our website. We have 2 chat boxes, one on WhatsApp, one on the platform that we are using. They're both available. You can chat with us easily. So just give us a call, contact us, and we will be more than happy to assist you.